There are many different talents in this house, and you've just seen one of them, Jim, and now we'll show you another one. Granny's making her Cornish pasties.
Want to say anything, Granny?
I'm in a different kitchen with different tools, but I'm sure the pasty will taste the same. I hope so anyway.
We'll have a little look at what you're doing.
Oh yes. Show you how to do it. Layer of meat, layer of potatoes. Layer of potato. This is for somebody who doesn't like onion or turnip. Put just potato and meat. More potato, more meat. Then salt, pepper, flour to make gravy. We hope it all sticks together.
Will you be putting it together yet or not yet?
In just 2 or 3 minutes, when it's full enough, I'll be putting it together. And that's the important bit. So that it doesn't come apart. And laugh at you, as they say. They say in Cornwall, if it's smiling at you, if it opens up. Shouldn't really do that. Most people like onion or sweet in it, or a bit of both, but you've got some certain little people that just like the potato and the meat. So we do it according to orders, you see. Just depends what people like. Yeah, I think that will probably fill it up, and a little bit of salt. People can always add more if they want to when they eat it. A little bit of pepper. Just a little bit of flour to make the gravy nice. And you need to dampen the edge of the pastry so that it sticks. Then you fold it over. And here goes the bit that you fold it like that. Seal it up. And this is the secret then. You have to crimp it all around the edge. You mustn't roll the pastry too thin, but you mustn't have it too thick. Otherwise it's all pastry and not the insides. Make a little hole. Just give it a little, like that, a little squeeze. Let the air out. A little cross on it so you know it's got no onion or potato or sweet in it. And then it's ready to go in the oven.
Wonderful.
Probably look a bit bigger than that when it's cooked. We hope it's okay when it's eating it, when somebody's eating it.
Thank you very much.